Hey, what's up everyone on YouTube? Today we're going to be doing LED fog light swap on my 2013 Dodge Dart. And right now it has yellow halogens, but we're going to be putting these H11 120 watt LEDs from Smautop, Smautop. We're also going to be using these LED canbus anti-flicker harnesses for the H11 bulbs. Dodge is known for throwing error messages whenever you change the light bulbs to LED, so this should take care of that problem. What you're also going to need is an 8mm socket, and what you're going to be doing is coming to the side of your fender well. You can move the tire all the way to the right or all the way to the left, but there's going to be screws right here, 4 of them, that are going to have to be removed in order to pull the fender lining towards the inside, and that'll give you access to that fog light bulb down there. So let's take a look at these bulbs right here. As you can see, these are H11s, and the light emitting diodes on each side, so on each 4 corner, and also in the center right there where there's like a eyeglass on the bulb. And so what you're going to have to do with this harness is plug this end on this side, and the other end of the harness you're going to plug in to the stock light harness in your vehicle. As you can see, it does say Smautop right there, and this silver part is actually made out of aluminum, so that'll help the light bulb keep cool. And it does have a rubber seal here in order to protect it. And these are able to withstand the weather. They are weatherproof, waterproof. Very well made light bulb. After pulling the fender lining back after removing the screws, you can see your stock H11 bulb will be right here. So to take it off, all you need to do is just twist to the left, counterclockwise, and it'll come out. These are the bulbs that my car already had installed. I had previously installed these, and compared to the LED bulb, it's pretty much the same exact thing, except the LED bulb is rated at 120 watts, and this one, amber colored, is rated at 55 watts. So now what you're going to do is plug this side to your car's harness and put this inside the socket where the LED, where the fog light bulb was, and just twist to the right to lock it in place. As you can see from the beam of light at the bottom, that's how the amber light throws it on the right side, and where I put the LED fog light, it looks like the stream of light spread out more around the bottom. And when I plugged it into the vehicle's harness, I actually had to unplug it and plug it the opposite way because the polarity wasn't right, so the light would turn on. So in case you run into that issue, make sure to do that. After the LED fog light installation, as you can see, other than needing gas, the error code did not pop up, so the anti-flicker harness did its job. Now to install the right side of the vehicle, you do the same exact thing you did on the other side. There you have it. After installing the LED fog lights, this is how they look. And what you can actually do is adjust the height, and by adjusting the height, it'll actually throw the light a little higher and it'll spread it out more. But I just feel like this video doesn't really do it as much justice as I could. And if you ask me, I would definitely recommend these. They're about $20. The harness was about $12 and no error codes. Definitely worth the buy, and it does change the look of the car. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.